Hi, Delonte Peterson here with Independent Capital Group, ICG. I'm here at the Banks Avenue property that we're about to close on in 3 days. And this is going to be a Section 8 situation once we get done with it. It's a 2-bedroom. The county records has it a 2-bedroom. It's actually a 4-bedroom because it's 2 bedrooms upstairs. And you know, a lot of people look at this street and say it's kind of scary because it's a dead-end street. There's only about 5 houses on the street, and there's trash. There's overgrowth on the east side of the road. There's an abandoned house next door. But I look at it and I see opportunity because this would be a great Section 8 rental property. The noise behind me is because we're next to the interstate. But other than that, nobody needs it. Nobody will be coming back and driving through the street unless they have a reason to come back here. So it will be a pretty quiet type of situation for whoever rents it. So now we're inside. This is the kitchen. We're probably going to save the cabinets and just clean them up, make a little bit minor repairs to them, but it don't look that bad. We're going to bring this wall out, and this is actually going to be the closet to the bedroom. On the other side of this wall, we're going to figure some way to add the washer and dryer space in the kitchen also. So the house is not a bad house. It has great bones. So we just cleaned it out because there was a lot of junk left in here by the previous homeowners. You know, you really don't know what the situation is sometimes when you buy these houses of the people who live there first, because, you know, sometimes family members die, kids don't want the house, so they just take whatever's valuable and leave everything else in here. So this is going to be the master bedroom. So we're going to take out the wall behind this closet and blow it out and combine the 2 closets and create a master bathroom. So this is the wall that would open up, put a door there, and the closet will be in the kitchen, the existing kitchen area. And there are actually 2 bedrooms upstairs. So for Section 8, a 4-bedroom in Atlanta, you're talking about $1,500 a month. So that's cash flow. So we close on this in 2-3 days. We'll get started with the real renovation at that point, but want to get a jump start on the clean out so we can actually see everything, because with furniture, clothes, and stuff being all over the place, you really can't see everything that you need to see to make decisions on what you're going to do. So until next time, bye.